period panties or underwear, which I'll explain in a minute, but a period panty. Unfortunately, they all are grandma panties. But these are kind of cute. You know, they've got some sheer on the side. So what you get with this HighOh period panty is you get two underwear, and they come in this waterproof bag. So if you're out and about and you've used this, it's got blood in it, you take it, put it in here, and swap it out for a next pair and wear it. So the average woman loses about 4 tablespoons of blood during her whole period, which really isn't that much. These underwear are comfortable, they will hold a lot of fluid, and they're pretty quiet. I wanted to show you another pair that I bought, no name brand. I just took these out of the washer. Can you hear this? So they're lined with this cloth, but behind it is a plastic. And these are really made to wear if you have a tampon in and you're worried about leakage after. If you wanted just to, what they call free bleed into this, and remember we're adults here, without using a tampon, you would leak right through. These are great. They're quiet. While they're a little puffy in the back, unless you're wearing skin tight clothes or leggings or something, nobody is going to notice. And like I said, they're very quiet. And they hold a bunch of fluid, like more than a quarter cup. I tested it. So I would also further suggest that if somebody was incontinent, so maybe they're over 50 or somebody's had children, for men or women, that these would work for that. In the front, this double padding comes up very high. In the back, it covers the whole back and goes up to the waist, right? So you have a lot of coverage there. So in case something bad happened and we were out of paper products and we were out of adult diapers, right? This would work. I even think it would work for fecal matter, but that's a whole different video. So for women, they sell these undies that come, like I said, a 2-pack comes in this bag. So these are also excellent for nighttime. They hold, like I said, a lot of fluid. Also for incontinent people, if you wanted to wear these at night, that would work really well